Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common wardrobe. Woe holes in your jeans. But don't worry, you don't need a sewing machine to fix them. I'm going to show you several easy, no-sew methods to repair those rips and tears, so you can keep rocking your favorite jeans. Let's get started. First up, the classic iron-on patch. This is probably the easiest method. You'll need an iron-on patch, which you can find at most craft stores or online, and an iron. Turn your jeans inside out and place the patch over the hole, making sure it covers the entire area. Then, following the patch's instructions, usually involving applying heat for a specific amount of time. Once cooled, turn your jeans right side out and check your work. If the patch isn't fully adhered, reapply the iron. Next, let's look at fabric glue. This is another quick and easy solution, especially for smaller holes or tears. You'll need fabric glue, which is designed to bond fabric. Apply a thin layer of glue to the edges of the hole. Then carefully press the fabric back together. Hold it in place for a minute or two to allow the glue to set. For extra reinforcement, you can apply a patch on the inside of the jeans, using the glue to secure it. Let it dry completely before wearing. Another option is the trusty safety pin. This is more of a temporary fix, but it can be really effective for tears along a seam, or in a place that's not too stressed. Simply gather the torn fabric together and secure it with a safety pin from the inside out. You can use multiple pins for larger tears or to create a more secure hold. This method is great for a quick fix on the go. For a more decorative approach, you could consider using fabric paint. This is a creative way to cover up holes, especially if you're dealing with a small tear. Choose a fabric paint color that matches your jeans, or go for a fun design. Apply the paint to the hole, covering it completely. You can use stencils for a more intricate design. Let the paint dry completely before wearing or washing your jeans. Finally, if you have a pair of old jeans, you can use the fabric from them to create a patch. Cut a piece of fabric from the old jeans that's slightly larger than the hole. Apply fabric glue to the edges of the hole on your good jeans, and then stick the patch on the inside, covering the damaged area. Press firmly, and let it dry. This is a great way to recycle and create a seamless repair. So there you have it, several ways to fix holes in your jeans without a sewing machine. Iron-on patches, fabric glue, safety pins, fabric paint, and fabric patches are all great options. Choose the method that best suits the size and location of the hole and your personal style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.